Do you know how many thoughts you had today? Around 6,200. And research shows that 80% of them were negative. And 95% of those negative thoughts are the exact same ones you had yesterday. You are not thinking. You are replaying. And your brain has been doing this to you your entire life. Your brain has a structure called the amygdala. It is your brain's alarm system. It was built tens of thousands of years ago to detect danger and keep you alive. Every time something feels uncertain, uncomfortable, or threatening, the amygdala fires. It floods your body with cortisol. Your heart rate rises, your mind locks onto the threat. The problem is that the amygdala cannot tell the difference between a lion chasing you and an unanswered message on your phone. To your brain, both are threats. Both deserve the same panic response. And so it keeps firing, over and over, for things that will never physically harm you, but feel just as real. And here is where it gets worse. Every time a negative thought appears and you engage with it, analyze it, argue with it, replay it, your brain strengthens that neural pathway. It is like a dirt path in a field. The more you walk it, the deeper it gets cut into the ground, until eventually your brain stops choosing. It just defaults to that path automatically. This is called neuroplasticity working against you. Your brain has literally rewired itself around negativity, not because you are broken, but because repetition is how the brain learns. It learned negativity the same way it learned to ride a bike. And that is why willpower alone will never stop it. You cannot white-knuckle your way out of a wired neural pathway. The only way to break a neural pathway is to build a new one consistently until the new one becomes the default. When a negative thought appears, do not fight it. Name it. Literally say to yourself, "That is my amygdala firing." That single act moves the response from your emotional brain to your prefrontal cortex, the rational part, and immediately reduces the intensity of the thought. Then replace it, not with false positivity, with a specific, realistic counter-thought. Not everything is fine, but I have handled situations like this before and I can handle this one. That specificity is what makes it believable to your brain. Vague reassurance does nothing. Specific evidence rewires. Do this every single time the thought appears. Not once, every time. Because you are not fighting a thought, you are building a new road. Your brain is not working against you. It is working exactly as it was designed to. The problem is, the design is outdated, and you have the ability to update it. Start today. One thought. Name it, replace it, build the road. If this gave you something real, share it with someone who needs it. I'll see you in the next one.